Okay guys, today we're going to put together the Isinwheel 2-in-1 mini electric scooter slash skateboard. This is your skateboard. Got to put the wheels on it though. So to get the wheel on, we already got the one wheel on. You're going to take the little nut, you're going to drop it right into this little hole. Then you're going to take your X bolt, put it through the wheel, and the wheels they're interchangeable, they can go either direction. And then slide it into the hole and tighten her down with the Allen key that they provided. So now that your wheels are on, oh, that's your skateboard right there.
Wait, it's a skateboard?
That's your skateboard right now.
But
right now it's a skateboard.
So it's a skateboard?
At the moment.
Well, how do we put it on?
Well,
we take that out.
We take that out. You're going to pull up on this plastic piece here.
Put it in.
And you're going to slide this bad boy in here. Now, on the bottom, it does say open. So this side's open. So that'll be the side towards me from where I'm sitting. The Isinwheel's going to be in front. I'm just going to slide her down in there. And she's fastened. You can see the little button right here, which you would push that in and pull out on this. You would get that to come out to make it back into a skateboard. But at the moment, she's a scooter. I'm going the right way. Maybe I have to do this. I think I have to do this.
Yeah.
I think you have to. There you go. Push that button, pull out. Oops. Not went too far. There we go. So there's three holes here. So 3 different heights. Now we can lock this clamp back down. She is together. Sorry, I didn't hit you. So what you got? You got 2 stickers on here. One says brake and one says accelerator.
So am I gonna remove
We can go ahead and take the stickers off. And in the back is your brake. You press down, and it stops the back wheel from moving. The front button is your accelerator. So you step down on that, and it's going to make you go forward, which causes cool lights.
Yep.
Now, I'm going to set it here.
Should I turn those off? They're not going to go.
There's a safety feature that if you're not standing on it, it won't go. That's the Allen key. Okay, so there must be a safety feature on it that we're not standing on it, she won't go forward. Just pushing the button. Maybe I'm not pushing in the right spot. I don't know. She's not going.
You're going to try it?
Well, let's get it down to the ground first so we can try it down there.
Okay, but I can't go there because the trash can.
You can cross anywhere, honey. And to get moving, it's pretty simple. You just start off with your foot off to the side here. This is your accelerator. So you don't want to be pressing down on that, else once you kick off, it will immediately start going. You want to get your other foot on it before you do that. So just go ahead and kick off and move your foot over and go.
No?
Go ahead. And then press the accelerator. And it's that simple.